Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and right now we are going to talk about video transitions in Filmora Wondershare. I like editing, but the more I like is to try different programs. In my opinion, in my humble opinion, I think 90% of transitions in Filmora are completely useless. But still, I want to show you the 10% which are the best, and then I want to show you those transitions you shouldn't use ever because they are just like in a 2000 or 2005. So let's go. So right now I got a footage here how I play Sekiro, and we are going to apply the transitions, and we are going to try it now. First, how we can apply the transition. Transition you can use between cutted media files or on the beginning or on the end of your video. So let's, for example, the bar, we can put it right here on the left with the drag and drop system, or here on the end. And if, wait a second, I'm going to put together the videos, I can put it in the middle. So as you could see, it got the transition style. Now I will talk to you about each of these categories which you should use for your videos, on which you can are effective. For example, for gaming videos or drone footage videos or nature videos, for example. And let's see. The first one is basic. Basic is completely useless and you shouldn't use it at all. Why? So for example, let's see this one. It just color distance, or even the flash. And my name is Barry Allen and I'm the fastest man alive. And page scroll. This is really old transition, really like 2005. So for example, zoom, if I would show you, don't use it. Just when you come to the transition, just click directly to 3D, all right? Don't even try basic. Now the 3D. What I like most about 3D is these orb transitions. These are like, god damn. When I tried them, I was like, is this real life or just a fantasy? Now, when I'm going to use, for example, orb 4, look at that. Look at the beauty. Oh mama, did you see the orbital move? And now orb twist. This is even better. Look. It's so great. So for example, even the fish eye roll 5 is like name of the movie. And let's try it out. Amazing. Ripple dissolve. Ripple dissolve, it's also completely garbage. Fly eye, for example. Yeah, it can be like cross dissolve. Okay. And I want to show you the worst transition created on this planet. Do you want to see that? Swirl. When I'm going to use it, look at that. Oh my god. I became blind. So yeah, no. We can't use it. We just can't. Please. I beg you. I beg you. My viewer, don't use swirl. So I'm going to delete it now. And so we are going to just jump out of it, okay? And we are going for the speed blur. But speed blur, god damn, 8 out of 10, baby. And I will show you why. Okay, amazing effect. Let's use, for example, Crossroad 2, like World War II. These are great. I would even compare them to 3D. They are really similar, but 3D is a little bit better. than speed blur, but speed blur, it's also great, for example, when you are doing, when you get a lot of scenes and you want to make, okay, let's say that you are recording humans and on a party. That sounds like I'm a robot. Okay, I'm another robot. You are recording a party and you want to make, there is a music playing and you want to make these transitions. Use speed blur. It's really great. Now let's move on for the next one. Also speed blur is good for gaming. Warp, it's all right. I like it. Warp, it's all right. But when I'm going to show you this, it's not going to be just all right. It's going to be epic, because warp, there is this effect called hyper zoom, and it's really similar to that. So for example, this is really great for drone footage. Let's say that you are flying with a drone and you want to transition to the recording with the camera, that you are flying down with the drone and now you want to transition to the camera. This is pretty great. Let's say that you would have like, okay, here this episode would be drone footage and now camera. You get it, right? It's pretty great. So that's how we're going to do it, and that's why I recommend warp. Or even let's say that in a game you're playing a character and you can use a warp, a wormhole, etc. for transitioning to another map or another character you're playing. It's pretty good. Let's now move on for the lifestyle. Lifestyle again, it's a completely upper garbage, and no, don't use it. Just, it's useless. I'm not going to even talk about it. I don't want to even show you these transitions because my head would start spinning from it. Now the slideshow. Slideshow is really great when you have a photos. Let's say that you want to create a slideshow of pictures for your family or for your grandparents. Okay, I can accept that you want to use a slideshow. And I would use it too if I would like to do a slideshow for my grandparents of pictures of my kids, which will I have in a few years, because I'm only 22 years old and I don't have kids right now. I would make something like this because it's acceptable. But if you want to make YouTube videos or something, don't use slideshow, all right? That's about it. Hope I wasn't that mean in this video, and hope this video will help someone to what transition to use in Filmora and which are pretty good or bad. So that's about it. If you like this video, you can subscribe to me. I will be really thankful for that, or write me in the comments what kind of effect or style or transition or something you would like to learn, and I would be pretty happy to make a video about it. Thank you all again, and see ya. Understand one simple thing, that you are an amazing human being. Always remind yourself that when you wake up, okay, when you're gonna wake up tomorrow, say to yourself that you are an amazing human being, because I believe you are. Okay, I'm getting to the philosophy. I don't want to do that. Thank you all, and see ya.